Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. This video, I'll be showing you Superhuman Email Honest Review. So, Superhuman Email is a paid email productivity app designed to sit on top of Gmail or Outlook and make handling email faster and more efficient. Now, it focuses heavily on speed, keyboard shortcuts, and smart inbox organization, and AI-powered features like email summaries and even writing assistance. Now, the idea behind it is quite simple. So, if email takes up a big part of the day, this tool aims to reduce friction and save time. It runs on desktop, mobile, and web, and it comes with a premium subscription price that is noticeably higher than most email apps. Now, looking at whether Superhuman is risky or not, it starts with established trust and review platforms. Now, according to Scam Advisor here, Superhuman, the domain itself associated with Superhuman, shows standard trust signals such as proper security, certificates, and established online presence. Now, there are no indicators commonly associated with high risk or deceptive websites, such as suspicious domain behavior or malware flags. Now, based on what Scam Advisor provides, there's nothing that suggests Superhuman operates in a deceptive or unsafe way. Now, Trustpilot here give us a few details. So currently it sits in the mixed picture, but in a different sense. Now, based on reviews available here, Superhuman has a relatively low average score. According to what Trustpilot shows us, many of the negative reviews are not about safety or fraud, but about value for money. Some reviews mention that the app feels overpriced for what it offers, while others express frustration with performance issues or expectations not being met after subscribing. Now, at the same time, there are also positive reviews here that highlight how fast the app feels and how much it improves email workflow for people who basically rely on email heavily. Now, this pattern suggests dissatisfaction with pricing and usefulness rather than concerns about legitimacy. Now, looking at Reddit discussions, well, superhumans frequently talk about in productivity and email-focused communities. Now, based on user reports shared there, well, the conversation often revolves around whether the subscription cost is justified. Some people say the speed and keyboard-driven workflow generally change how they manage email. How others say similar results can be achieved with free tools if someone is willing to customize them. Now, a few posts here mention canceling after some time because the value didn't match expectation, but there aren't widespread reports claiming deceptive behavior or misuse. Now, one thing that does stand out across multiple sources or multiple platforms here is that Superhuman targets a very specific audience. Reviews across platforms consistently suggest that it works best for people who spend several hours a day in email and are comfortable learning shortcuts and new workflows. Now, for lighter email use, many reviewers feel the cost outweighs the benefits, which explains a lot of frustration seen on review sites. Now, taking everything together here, based on what we're seeing, well, the concerns raised online are mostly about pricing, learning curve, and whether the features justify the cost, not about safety or legitimacy. Now, out of everything we found here, we could assume that this is pretty much legit, but that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.